This AI built 3 faceless channels across 15 platforms in under 10 minutes. In this ContentClaw review, I am showing you the real dashboard, how it actually works, and the hidden flaw which nobody else is talking about. Are you still spending 4 hours a day creating content for social media manually? In this ContentClaw workflow, I am breaking down the exact hand-free workflow which beginners are using to publish up to 45 viral posts a day across 15 platforms on total autopilot. Is ContentClaw actually worth your $37? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool that gives you zero views? Before you buy, watch this urgent ContentClaw review to see the critical missing piece you need to actually make money. Hi guys, welcome to Stacks Review. Most people fail with automated content tools because of one simple problem. Generic AI guesses what to post, gets zero algorithm pickup, and your account sit at zero views. Today we solve that. Look at this right here. This is not theory. This is what happens when you use an engine that does not guess. Instead of generating random text, ContentClaw scans 15 social platforms every 6 hours, find posts already going viral in your niche, and rebuild them in your own voice. And this is just a beginning. Now let's see some main features of ContentClaw. First feature is Trend Radar Engine. This scans popular contents across evergreen niches to find trending topics. This helps beginners who do not know what topics to post about. It saves hours of manual market research. Next feature is the Growth Engine Publisher. This schedule and post your content across connected accounts. It helps busy channel owners maintain consistent daily posting. It removes the need to log into multiple platforms every day. Next feature is the Hosted BIO Link Builder. The software generates a landing page where you can place your affiliate links or offer page. This helps user guide social traffic toward a central destination. The tool is powerful, but to build a real business, you still need a complete monetization system. This is why I built the ContentClaw Faceless Monetization Vault bonus bundle, which is worth $497 and is completely free when you get ContentClaw through my link today. Inside this vault, you will get the niche and setup master checklist, a structured checklist to ensure your account are configured correctly before posting. Next is high converting BIO and CTA cheat sheet, plug and play profile and caption templates to make your call to action clear. Next bonus is the viral short form AI prompt vault, over 100 tested prompts ideas to help guide AI tools for high retention script ideas. And wait, I have also a special bonus, the 7-day faceless account launch kit, which is worth $197. A step-by-step guide to help you set up and format your initial channels properly. The total bonus bundle is worth $497, but for ContentClaw buyers, it is totally free today. Now let's look at how someone can easily use this software in a real workflow. First, you choose a niche such as personal finance or productivity. Second, you plug your niche into the setup wizard. Third, the software scans for active trends and creates draft post. Fourth step is you set up your hosted BIO link with an affiliate offer or resource guide. The fifth and last step is the software publishes posts automatically across your connected account. Here is something many people miss. The software automates publishing, but you should still review your strategy periodically. This process allows you to maintain an active social presence while keeping your focus on overall strategy. Now let's talk about the limitation honestly. ContentClaw is a software tool. It is not a magic button. It does not guarantee views, sales or followers. To succeed online, you still need a good strategy, patience while accounts build momentums, clear offer positioning, quality content direction. Additionally, social platforms have specific rules regarding automated posting. That is why ContentClaw Faceless Monetization Vault I showed you earlier is so critical. It fills this exact gap by giving you the pre-weighted high paying offer to plug straight into your new accounts. So who is this for? If you are looking for a tool to help automate social media research and multiple platform publishing, ContentClaw offers a structured system worth evaluating. However, if you are expecting instant success or automate income without effort, this or any other software will not meet the expectations. It works best as a productivity assistant to speed up your content workflow. If you would like to learn more, check the top link in the description and pinned comment below to grab ContentClaw right now. Remember the launch discount and my 497 faceless monetization vault are strictly limited. So grab it now before the timer hits zero and price goes up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next review.